discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Uh-oh, looks like you had a little blowout. One of the speakers. So, what's your name, man, and what's in here?
My name is Austin. I got 4 Sundown Audio XB215s.
Okay.
And, considered a 6.5 order. It's built by Cody Mullet, and Chris Hernandez of DB Addictions. They're in Jacksonville, Florida. They do a good job. It's on Ruthless Audio 8500.
Okay.
And a 45 amp hour C-Max. With a 320 amp hour.
Looks good. Nice work. It's 6.5. So you know your tunings on it?
The rear port is around 22. I'm not too sure about the front.
Okay. I see you dialing it just a little bit to help.
Yeah, we tried it without the port here, and it didn't seem to have much control, so we put a port in.
Yeah.
We still need a little bit more work on it. It's just been finished about a week.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, it hasn't been
work in progress. Got it. Nice. And what size alternator you said?
The 320.
320. Okay. Pretty impressive to see them fit 4 subs in this small vehicle. You come in, you think it's just 2, and you're like, well, I didn't realize there's 2 more down there. So, looking forward to hearing it, man.
It was originally designed, you can kind of see here, they tried to put all 4 on the top, but just, you would see it run into the port.
Yeah.
So, it ended up turning into this, which we finally got.
All right. Yeah, man. And it ended up at half ohm or 1 ohm?
It's
1 ohm, okay.
They're dual 2 subs.
Got it, okay. I'm gonna go look at the back.
Yeah, no problem.
Where do you get these amps, these little amp cooling fans at? It's pretty cool.
The person who built it, named Cody.
Okay.
He had them on hand. I don't know.
Sweet.
You can order them off Amazon.
Yeah. Yep. Nice. Have you clamped the power out of the amp yet?
Have not. But I've seen some dyno videos on it.
Yeah.
Around 15 volts, so we'll know, of course, 11,000.
Yeah. Yeah. The 8500, right?
Yeah. Granted, that's a, I don't know what it does on YouTube.
Yeah.
But
Sweet, man. Good job.
33. I'm gonna roll this window in.
Okay, so you load off one window. All right. Keep this one shut?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is 21 now.
All right. 21 hertz. This is gonna be crazy. All right.
It won't pan.
Man, you're brutal. Appreciate it, man. Nice demo. Thank you for the demo. Wow, nice work. I was impressed how this didn't hardly move much either.
Yeah.
For the cabin work on this is nice, man. Nice subflex action. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a good day, man. Made me sneeze at the end.